Hey yarn lovers, I'm Suzanne with Yarnspirations, and today we're going to take a look at Colorama Lacy. If you haven't seen it, it's available on Yarnspirations and it's one of our new Caron yarns. So this is a bulky number 5 yarn, and it's recommending 6mm knitting needles and crochet hook also. So this is a really cool construction yarn. I'll just hold it up. You can see that it is a ribbon style yarn, but it is super soft, and it has almost like a shimmer to it when you crochet, with this like white thread that's running through. And so the great thing about this ribbon construction is it doesn't split when you're knitting or crocheting. So I've started a few swatches here. So this one is a knit swatch that I've started knitting, and I'll just hold that up to the camera. And I'll just do a row so you guys can see how easy it is to knit with. So just doing a basic knit purl stitch here, and you can see how nicely it slides on and off these Susan Bates number 6mm needles, which would be US 10. So there you go. So simple, easy. It's not catching. It's not catching on itself. It's giving you nice tension. So there you go. And then what you end up with is this really like soft, cushy kind of fabric. So that's the front. And then this would be the back. There. Okay. And so then, and then the color that I am stitching with in this is called Tiki Teal. And so it's an ombre or a variegated. And so then for crocheting, I was trying it with this really beautiful pink color called Rose. And so you can see I've just done 2 rows of crochet, just single crochet, just to see what it's like. And it's also really nice to crochet with. So I'll just do a row. So you can see it's really easy to see where your stitches are. It's not getting caught. It's easy to control your tension. No stitch splitting, like I said, the greatest part of ribbon yarn. And so there you go. And I'll just show you. It's actually so cool because this fabric reminds me almost of like terry towel or terry cloth, and it's super soft and like smushy. And so there you go. And then these are a few of our patterns that we have on Yarnspirations. This is a really cool top, and it's actually so light and bouncy, but also really squishy and soft. And then here's another crochet pattern. This is playing on the granny square. Super cool. You can see, I'll hold it close, but you can see that terry kind of texture coming through, which is neat. And then finally, I wanted to show you this dress because sometimes crochet dresses can be so heavy, but this dress is actually super light. It would be, but it's still, the fabric is weighty, but it's not heavy. So it's a super cool yarn. If you've tried it, let us know what you think and comment below.